Uh-oh.
It smells so good. So yummy.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. So hi mga ka-memories, hello everyone, here I am again giving you another tips of cooking. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to make a Mapo Tofu. Mapo Tofu is a popular in Sichuan province. It's located in China. Okay, so Mapo Tofu consists of tofu set and spicy sauce, typically 10 oily and red suspension. So since I don't like oily food, sorry for the word, yeah, so I will make my own version of Mapo Tofu. So I would say this is really healthy and it's really good. Okay, yummy. And to those who don't like too much oily in Mapo Tofu, I think this version of mine is really good for you guys. Okay. So many different style how to make the Mapo Tofu. I have tried also the Korean one. It's a little bit sweet and spicy and it's really good. I like it. Yeah, it's nice. But this one, my version is really healthy, yummy, you know, yummy. So let's go. I'll show you guys how to make my So my Mapo Tofu version is really easy to make. It's just only 8 minutes for preparing and 12 minutes in cooking. So a total of 20 minutes you have a Mapo Tofu. So let's try to taste my Mapo Tofu version. Oh, this is really hot. Smells so good. So yummy. I will try the tofu. Perfect. So I have a tips for the tofu, guys. Don't get the hard one. Just get the soft one or medium firm. So you have a perfect and yummy Mapo Tofu. Thank you.
Oh